Hello students, I am your course instructor Professor Anisa Shikalgar. In today's video we are going to see ambiguous grammar. Okay, so first we will see the concept of the ambiguous grammar, when the grammar is called to be ambiguous grammar. As we already know that the grammar is defined by using four tuples. So that grammar, it is V, T, P and S. So what is V? It is non-terminal. T is the terminal, production rule and the starting symbol. Okay. Then again in that particular grammar we have seen the derivations. Derivations are of the three types: leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation and the derivation tree. The derivation tree, which is also called as a parse tree. Then when particular grammar is called as a ambiguous grammar. Okay. So suppose here we have seen different strings. Suppose A, B, B, A, B. That is the one kind of the string, and we have given one grammar. So in that particular grammar, number of production rules are given. So by using those production rules, suppose I want to generate the particular string. So what we have did for that particular, here we have used either leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation or derivation tree. So suppose students, here it is the leftmost derivation we are going to use. Here one of the production rule we are taking, and we have obtained the string AA, BB, AA. Okay. So that in that leftmost derivation, it is our way 1. Way 1 to derive the string AA, BB, AB or whatever the string here we have asked to be derived. So that after identifying the first way, if there exists the another way, so suppose after the first way there is also possibility that another way is present by using the same derivation, means leftmost derivation, then that particular grammar is called as a ambiguous grammar. Again it is also true with respect to the rightmost derivation. Suppose I am using the rightmost derivation, here it is my one way. One way means whatever the production rules are given, that production rules I am using in one particular sequence and I have derived the string. Okay. Then same production rules, but only we are changing the sequence of the production rules, and here another way is also present to derive that particular string. Then that particular grammar is called as a ambiguous grammar. The same thing for the derivation tree also. Derivation tree, which is also called as a parse tree. So in the derivation tree, here suppose there is a one leftmost, here we have seen in the derivation left linear derivation and the right linear derivation. Okay. So here in that also, suppose one or more than one ways are present to derive the string, then that particular grammar is called as a ambiguous grammar. So what we have seen for the ambiguous grammar, if any one of these three, means leftmost or rightmost or derivation tree, for any of these three, if I can generate the given string by using more than one ways, then that particular grammar is called as a ambiguous grammar. Okay. So here we will see one particular example for the ambiguous grammar. See here students. Here S is my starting symbol. Okay. Then in particular I am using S as only non-terminal, then A, B are the terminal symbols. After that production rule and the starting symbol. So which are the production rules? Here I am using S produces, here we can say S plus S or S star S or A or B. So these are the production rules I am using. Okay. Now we can consider the string. Suppose A plus A star B. So here I am going to generate that particular string, and the question is identify whether the given grammar is ambiguous or not. Okay, so here we are having one particular string to derive. Then I can start with S produces S plus S. S produces S plus S. So see here students, we have used one particular production rule. Then if I can observe the string which I want to derive, in that it is A plus A star B. Okay, so here I can replace any one of these two S. If I want to use the leftmost derivation, then I am using that particular S is replaced. Okay, so here that S I am going to replace by A. So here if I am using that S by A, plus S is remaining. So here plus symbol we obtained, then S again it can be replaced by S star S. So here see, by using leftmost derivation, here A plus S. Again only leftmost non-terminal is remaining, and that can be replaced by S star S. S star S. Now it is the leftmost non-terminal which we are going to replace by what I want in the string A. So S can be replaced by A also, and S produces A plus A star B. So here what I have obtained, it is by using leftmost derivation, I have obtained my first way to derive the string by using the production rule. Now I am going to find, is there any other way rather than this by using the same leftmost derivation. So see here students, by using same leftmost derivation I am going to find the second way, and if I obtain the second way, then we can say that the given grammar is ambiguous grammar, and if there is only one and one way is present, then that particular grammar is unambiguous grammar. So here we have started with S produces S plus S. So instead of that, suppose I will start with S produces S star S, it can be called as a second way. So S produces S star S. Now see here, it is my string to be generated. So again it is leftmost derivation, therefore that particular S can be replaced by S plus S, and star S we are writing as it is. Now that S is the leftmost non-terminal which I am going to replace by A, then another leftmost non-terminal I am going to replace by A, and only remaining symbol I am going to replace by B. So here I have derived the string A plus A star B, A plus A star B, by using the another way of the leftmost derivation. So what is the conclusion student here? The given grammar is ambiguous grammar because we have derived the string by using more than one ways. So again I can recall the definition. What is ambiguous grammar? If the given string can be generated by using leftmost derivation or rightmost derivation or derivation tree, and if there exists more than one ways to derive this string, that particular grammar is called as a ambiguous grammar. Then in the next video I will come with the another example of the ambiguous grammar, and here the question will be like this: identify whether the given grammar is ambiguous, and if it is ambiguous then remove its ambiguity. So in the next video we will see the example in which I am going to learn you how to remove the ambiguity also. Thank you students.